Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.
Here we are in the case stand with a new product. This is like a prototype.
It's a prototype machine. There's nothing like it on the market. What we're calling it is a compact dozer loader. So what you get here is a compact track loader that has the ability to be converted to a little dozer by the assembly of a C-frame assembly that pins directly to the undercarriage, the frame of the machine. So what we found was we had a lot of contractors that are using large CTLs as dirt pushers, and we wanted to make that more efficient by putting a true dozer blade on the machine and being able to put that pin directly to the frame.
So you get true dozer.
More efficient. It's a true dozer. You're more efficiently pushing that horizontal load. In the back of the machine, we were looking for other efficiencies, other ways to make it a true small dozer when you put it into dozer mode. There's an integrated rear ripper. You've also got integrated rear sweeps on this machine. You see this one's set up with all steel undercarriage. So with the steel undercarriage, the rear ripper, you're looking at a large CTL that would have a rated operating capacity of about 5,500 pounds. So the crossover concept is meant to give a contractor the ability to order one machine that does multiple jobs. So if you do a lot of dirt work and you want that strong pusher, you're going to run it in dozer mode. But if you want to drop the dozer blade, it's a real quick detachment from the dozer blade, and you can pick up anything that you own in your attachment fleet and run it just like a large CTL. Now, a couple things that we were considering and we did do on this machine is we went with a radial loader arm here instead of a vertical, because we did want it to be a true dirt machine when you did run it as a CTL. And also what we did is we put dozer style sticks in this machine. So the joysticks are dozer style sticks. So instead of having an H pattern to ISO changeover valve in this machine, we've got an ISO to dozer style changeover on this machine. So when you do put it in dozer mode, you have full functionality of the 6-way blade. This particular machine has a Leica Geosystems 3D grade control system on it. So it really is a fine grading machine, a true dirt machine. I definitely want to mention the LED light bar that's on here. There's a lot of low light applications where and LED lighting technology has come so far in the last few years. We've integrated a pretty nice full LED light bar. I'm happy to put that on for you, show you what that looks like. But I'm pretty excited about it. The large track loader market is growing anyhow. So track loaders are really getting bigger and bigger. They're being asked to do more things. So this would be a 14,500 pound machine as is. We're also looking at a rubber track option as well, which would make that machine a little lighter. But I think we've got a really great package here that allows you to have one machine do multiple things. You've got a compact track loader, you've got a small dozer. Here you have it in one machine.
What about the power? I mean, the engine, because you have to push.
Yep. So right now, it's still in development. We're looking at about 110 horsepower as it sits right here. We're having conversations this week that'll help us decide what sort of engine configuration needs to go in this machine. It's going to need some power to push like we expect it to. So I just want to tell you a few things about some of the features that we talked about in the cab. So instead of having standard CTL joysticks, this machine's got dozer style joysticks. So when you do change from ISO to dozer functionality through the flip of a switch, you've got true 6-way functionality on your dozer blade. Some of the other things in the cab are in the upper left. We've got a integrated backup camera over here. Over here on my right-hand side, we have the fully integrated Leica Geosystems 3D grade control display. Other than that, it looks like a standard CTL cab, but with the functionality of a little dozer. Additionally, we've got extra heavy-duty side screens on this machine because it's going to be going into some heavy application work. One of the reasons we brought it out here at CONEXPO is we wanted to bring it to the public. We wanted to show our contractors what we've done so far, because we want to make sure that in the next evolution, the next part of the development of this project, that we have direct customer feedback. So we're conducting focus groups here all week at CONEXPO. We're interviewing contractors on the floor. We're talking about the concept, asking for feedback, having contractors tell us what they think this machine should look like in the future, because we want to make sure that we're bringing to market the machines that are actually going to get used and that we're developing them in the way that our customers expect.
¿Qué estás esperando? Suscríbete ya.
Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.